This is what I do to my hair every week, just in case any of you guys are wondering. I start with wash to tangled hair. I split it in 2 sections and I either twist or braid it. This time I'm twisting it. I apply my Kinky Curly Knot today as a leave-in. I seal it with apricot oil, and then I use Eco Styler gel for my edges. And please excuse my facial expressions when I'm brushing my hair. It was nappy, so it kinda hurt. Hope you guys enjoy.
Bitch, are you fucking for real? Why does this part always get effing tangled? Like, I cut it all the...
Okay, so this last part is just me wrapping my hair up. I do this every single night because if I don't and I go to sleep, my hair is going to be messed up and frizzy, and I would have did all that work for nothing. So thank you. Bye, ding dongs.